Referral. What does that mean?
Ik is ook lief
What does that mean?
I love you.
Oh, mama, you just tricked me there.
It's not a trick. It's what Don said now, man. There is popular words in Afrikaans. Goeiemôre, vandag, hoe gaan dit? Ik is lief vir jou.
Oh.
En nee en ja.
Yeah.
En die hond byt.
But I can tell near means no. I'll never forget that. Near.
En ja is yes, ja.
Because
Maybe
even
use
people,
ja
even
every
people
day.
they say near, or like you can say direction near.
But now they were known as strong as nine.
That's not what the.
Nine, like nine is me, they, as a slang. Or me.
Oh, they said nah. I think nah is just every slang now. You can even use it in English.
Not na.
Now we use it in English.
Not na.
Oh, not nah.
Nine.
Oh, nah.
And it's a rude word in way. It's also a rude word.
Oh,
You
you
don't
say
say
nah.
I don't say nine.
Oh. You don't say ah.
We say
Mm.
why?
Mm-mm.
Mm. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aren't you angry again?
Hey, John, how much are the part? Everything is going what? Accordingly. Everything is going accordingly.
Wait, there is pumper. You have a yellow pumper there.
Take care of it.
Don't press it.
I sure is.
Shouldn't press pumpers on your face.
Oh, what?
No, you get more. Remember, you must have one.
Oh, so I must leave it like this.
Don't get drunk.